Hey guys, what's going on? So this is gonna be a quick video. I hope everybody's doing okay. When I lived in Florida for a while, I lived in Winter Park, Florida, and they had a store called Publix, and they had the best chicken salad. So I'm gonna make you guys the chicken salad that I used to eat when I lived in Florida. And it only calls for a few ingredients. Now I already have the chicken shredded, and you take some grapes. It doesn't matter what color grapes, and I cut them in half. So there's a bunch of grapes in there too. It's kind of like, just kind of look at, eyeball it, how much. And shred your chicken. You can use a rotisserie chicken. Chicken breast works best though. Okay, so we have mayonnaise, honey, poppy seeds, and that's it. And the grapes, it's really good. So we're going to start with the poppy seeds, and you kind of eyeball it. I do a good shake because I have 3 chicken breasts in here. So okay, now your honey. I put quite a bit. Just kind of eyeball it. And you can keep tasting it too to see to your liking. About that. And we're going to start off with this kind of, about a cup of mayonnaise. Start it. So what's going on? Super Bowl's coming. Who are you rooting for? I'll tell you who I'm not rooting for. Kansas City. Sorry. Something about Mahomes that I don't care for. I'm a Patriots fan, which I'm sure that'll blow some of you guys apart. But that's my team. So just keep adding the mayonnaise, grapes, poppy seeds, honey. And we're gonna need a little more mayonnaise. So another, maybe a cup and a half. It depends how much chicken you use. If you want to make a small batch, you know. But I'm telling you guys, on crackers or a toasted sandwich, it's really good. And I think I need more poppy. Keep mixing it. We're kind of having a heat wave here. It's like in the 30s. That's a heat wave for us. So there it is, guys. Just cut up your grapes in half. Shredded chicken breast, poppy seeds, mayonnaise, and honey. It's really good. You can even put nuts in it if you want. I don't put nuts in mine, but you could put cashews or pecans or whatever. So it's really good. Enjoy your day, guys. Cooking with Georgie. See ya. God bless.